Hello guys, what's up? My name is Mehran and I'm going to talk about the final keyword in Java. So, whatever declared as final cannot be changed or updated in any program. I'm going to start with an example. Our example would be, I'm going to add this one that it can be a string or integer or double, whatever it is cannot be updated or changed. So I'm going to start with an example like double to double. The pi number 3.9265. Oh, sorry, I forgot 14 here, and etc. Doesn't matter. I put the semicolon here. So this is our original pi number here. I'm gonna add another pi or some random number like 14 here and ask compiler to put this on in the console system.out.println pi. So if I run this program, I'm going to get 14 as a double number, as you can see. Here what happens now, we know that compiler starts whenever the main is. So compiler comes here and sees this number, double this pi number here, our original number, and continues, and another pi number shows up, and this is the final thing that compiler compiles and puts it into our system print line, and we can see it in console as a double. Pi is double. So if I now put the final keyword here, we get an error that says, let's see what it says, cannot assign a value to final variable pi. The pi I meant. As I said, whatever declared as final, integer, string, doesn't matter, cannot be changed or updated. So if I run this program at this situation, I get error, obviously, and this is the same error that we saw in this here. Then I'm going to erase this. Okay, now my program is fixed. I'm going to run it again. Now everything is okay. Now I get my original pi number in the console. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks you all.